Hello, my name is Vladimir, and I'm a member of customer success team here at Segmentable. And if you're watching this video, that means you got a little bit curious about how you can smash your competition with the help of Segmentable. So let me share my screen with you and show you how to utilize our tools. Okay, so you would receive in the email a link similar to this one, right? All right, so I'm not going to click on it right now, but once you click on this link, you will see one of the products, probably the only startup they have, which is the name of your company. And I'm not going to show you an example with your particular company's competitive analysis. I'm just going to give you this example with the one of the startups in edtech industry. Um, it's called OCTB, or short for Overcome the Barrier. So you will click on this link and then you will see a product description. And surprise, surprise, this description comes from the website that you entered, okay? So it's very important that your domain that you provide us with already has some information. Otherwise, it's going to be hard for our engine to determine what is the website about based on just blank domain. So then once you read through the description, you can go and you can click on segments. And you only have access to 3 of them. It's a free version. Particular startup, they paid $100 and they got all of them, right? So our engine was able to identify 10 personas, all right? And within those 10 personas, each one of them has 10 demanded solutions. So let's take a look at those solutions, okay? And your menu right here is on the left. So these are all the solutions that these personas expect to have, okay? And then we have functions, right? So we have industry-specific vocabulary, specialist medical vocabulary. Again, this is the startup that provides language training with tutors, one-on-one tutors, right? And then the list goes on and on and on. And I think this alone is already worth $100, right? To understand what functions your users are interested in. And then you can click on competitors. And these are the competitors that are main competitors, and you can add more, find competitors, you can add new competitors by yourself, right? And then it will give you a shorter description here. And you can also click on functions, right? And it will give you a breakdown. Again, all these competitors and which functions do they have, okay? Now, the cool thing is that it's all kind of hard to put it together, right? So that's why we came up with this table view. So table view has the personas here on the left, right? All your customer personas. Their demand solutions, right? And it breaks it down how each of them requires and what he expects from the solutions. Other ways, other name for functions. Excuse me. So you can just scroll down and you can see how the percentage for of how much they expect to have it, right? Right. And then here we have the number of functions, right? So here we go. Boom, 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 boom. And then on the right, we have competitors. And again, we see the score, right? And again, this is, I told you, I thought there would be a little bit more from the first point of view, it might feel like it's a little bit easier to understand when you look at the table, but but then we decided that we can actually improve on that. And then we decided something called heat map, to put together something called a heat map. And here you can actually see how how should I put it, a simpler version about how you are positioned against your competition. So here's your personas, here's your competitors, and our engine comes up with the number of how well and who is best positioned to match all the requirements from this particular persona. So in this case, with busy professionals, Preply is a little bit more useful. And the reason why is because you can actually take a class right there and then, right? Corporate teams, just because they have more tutors. Everything else is this startup OCTB.us. And it actually shows you the percentage, okay? So if you look closely at this percentage, you will see that which persona you should go after, where is the lowest hanging fruit. So in this case, second generation Latinos, because this startup provides Spanish classes, would be the highest rated. So they should focus all their energy on this. Once they get going, then they can add this one, right? Healthcare professionals. And once they do that, then they should add real estate agents, right? And only then they can go into travel enthusiasts, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So this is how our product works. You can also see market overview, right? This is like a little breakdown of what we just discussed. You can see the heterogeneity of segments. I'm sure I butchered that name, that word. Competitive density, right? Look at the competitive density. Okay, here we go. Should we click on the link? So here we go again. And the density ratio, standout market leader. And it looks like OCTB.us has the highest percentage, or the highest potential in this case. Obviously, they're not the biggest, but they're doing something right. And then the breakdown of market gaps, right? So what do they need? So this is what it looks like. GTM strategy is our most premium product, and this company did not buy it, so I'm not going to get into it, but it costs thousands of dollars. Just give you the heads up. So yeah, this is pretty much what you can expect. Obviously, inside your link, you will only get a free version that is limited to just 3. Let me just pull up the table here. You will only see 3 personas, customer personas here. Only a handful of functions. No, functions will be a complete list, I think, right? And only 3 competitors. And if you decide to get a more comprehensive competitive analysis that includes more than just 3 customer personas and competitors, then it will cost you $99. So send us an email back with such request. We'll send you an invoice, and once you pay, we will start working on it, and within 24 to 48 hours, you'll get a complete comprehensive report. If you have any questions or comments, or you would like to provide us feedback, please click on the link in the email and book a time with either me or Tim, who is the head of our customer success, and we'll be more than glad to walk you through in detail of what to expect in case this video was not sufficient enough. Thank you for watching, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks. Bye.